In today's show, Michael Saylor says Bitcoin may rise above $100 trillion market cap as money goes digital. That's right, in a new interview at MicroStrategy's World Now Summit, where he brought together all these corporate CEOs, he goes on to share Bitcoin may very well become north of $100 trillion in monetary value, and every company has a treasury which would benefit from plugging into it, and every financial company would probably benefit from plugging into its products or financial services in this network. I'll be breaking down the highlights from this exclusive interview for you right here in today's show. Also, Max Keiser just tweeted regarding Elon Musk shilling Dogecoin and then putting Bitcoin on his bio, then removing it. Max wrote, Elon sees Bitcoin as a threat to his stock price that's been outperforming Bitcoin. He wants to be able to sell more Tesla stock at highest possible valuation, so it makes sense that he'd use his platform to manipulate the prices, etc. I get it. I own a little Tesla. We'll be discussing this here in today's show. Also, Plan B, the creator of the Stock to Flow model, just tweeted, Bitcoin price track after 2020 halving is between 2012 and 2016 tracks. I added Stock to Flow 100K and Stock to Flow X 288,000 model targets. Targets are average prices. Actual Bitcoin price will oscillate around targets. If 2021 bull market follows 2017, then $100,000 it is. If we follow 2013, $288,000 Bitcoin price, rocket ship to the moon. Also, Jack Dorsey just started running his own full node. Welcome to the club, Jack. Also, in today's episode, the Bitcoin top is around $390,000 according to this new chart, which shows this Bitcoin bull run is only just beginning. That's right, ARK Invest Yassine tweeted, this is how Bitcoin's price would behave if the current bull market dwarfed the 2017 bull market in the same way that the 2017 bull market dwarfed the 2013 bull market. The top would be around $390,000 per Bitcoin. The red dot is where we're at right now. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the major altcoins are currently in the green, but where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium Crypto News Alerts every single day, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor over at BlockFi, the leading provider of financial services and products for crypto investors. Here you can start having your sats work for you and put your crypto to work and start earning up to an 8.6% annual percentage yield with the BlockFi interest account. And they have a special promo running right now where you can get up to $250 as a free crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more by creating a new account today. To take advantage of this, click the link right down below this video in the description. It'll take you here. Then simply click on the sign up button. Once you do, it'll redirect you here. Enter your first name, your last name, your email, set a password, and it's going to have the referral code already filled out for you to take advantage of this. Also like to point out that there's no hidden fees, and they're also backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss Capital, Fidelity, Morgan Creek, and Coinbase. Now let's check out some of the annual percentage yields you can start earning. On Bitcoin, you can earn 6%, on Ethereum 5.25%, and on USDT 9.3%. Another cool thing about BlockFi, besides the fact there's no trading fees and it's easy to use, you can start earning compounding interest every month starting today. To take advantage of this, go ahead and click the link right down below this video in the description. Sign up and let's start stacking those sats. Shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to discuss, so let's dive right in, shall we? MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor is explaining why he's bullish on Bitcoin to the corporate world in a new interview at MicroStrategy's World Now Summit, which brought together hundreds of companies interested in learning more about Bitcoin. Michael Saylor touts the leading crypto's advantages in an increasingly digital era. That's right, the CEO says he believes Bitcoin can save companies from incoming inflation, allow them to plug into a revolutionary and superior monetary network, and that, in his mind, the cryptocurrency will become a multi-trillion-dollar asset. Here's some quotes and highlights from this interview. We realized we needed to find a way to virtualize our money because the financial response to the pandemic is one of monetary expansion, and the monetary expansion has created inflation, and the asset inflation has created a stampede to a new monetary system, a better monetary system. Bitcoin may very well be north of $100 trillion in monetary value, and every company has a treasury which would benefit from plugging into it, and every financial company would probably benefit from plugging into its products or financial services in this network. Not only does Saylor believe that corporations could protect their cash reserves by putting Bitcoin on their balance sheets, but Decrypt reports that the CEO is confident that a number of firms will do so in the coming year. Here's a quote from Michael Saylor. The simple solution is convert some of that cash into Bitcoin. We did it. Square did it. You're going to see an avalanche of companies in the coming 12 months also converting their balance sheets into Bitcoin because it's a scarce digital safe haven asset. He ain't telling no lies. And over the course of the summit, Saylor highlights that as the world moves forward and individuals and firms look for more innovative ways to invest their capital, he predicts that, as we already have seen in the past year, much of that capital will flow into crypto, with Bitcoin being the biggest benefactor of that shift. That's right, he shares right here. We have $300 trillion worth of money floating around in stocks, bond commercials, real estate, and cash and banks, and these are the 20th century form of assets, and we saw this year is an explosion, an emergence of a new form of money, and that new form of money is cryptocurrency, and the winning cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. Touche. And to check out this entire interview, check out the show notes below the video. In the description, I'll be sure to include the link right down below. Now, checking out the latest from Max Keiser, he tweeted, Elon sees Bitcoin as a threat to his stock price that's been outperforming Bitcoin. He wants to be able to sell more Tesla stock at highest possible valuation, so it makes sense that he'd use his platform to manipulate the prices, etc. I get it. I own a little Tesla. And he also tweeted, AAPL is getting into EV, puts a cap on Tesla's growth. By the way, I own a little Tesla more as a regulatory arbitrage play, as Elon is great at flaunting rules and laws for shareholders. Love his attitude. So there you have it, coming from Max Keiser, referring to Elon Musk shilling Dogecoin and then putting Bitcoin on his bio, then removing it and all the shenanigans that's coming along with it. If you're not familiar with Max Keiser, he predicts a $65,000 short-term Bitcoin target in play, and his year-end prediction is $220,000 per BTC. Let me know if you agree or disagree with his bullish predictions. And before I share the latest from Plan B, as well as Jack Dorsey now running his own node, as well as a Bitcoin top of around $390,000 according to this new chart, which shows that this Bitcoin bull run is only just beginning. But let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market. We can see everything is pumping and in the green, which I love to see. We have Bitcoin up about 0.75%, trading at just about $38,000. Ether up almost 2%, trading just below 1,700, which is the all-time high. We have Chainlink surging up almost 9%, trading above $26. We have XRP up 14%, trading at 45 cents. Cardano up 15%, trading at 50 cents. And Polkadot up 1.4%, trading above $20.60. All right, now let's check out this tweet from Plan B, the creator of the Stock to Flow model. He wrote, Bitcoin price track after 2020 halving is between 2012 and 2016 tracks. I added Stock to Flow, which predicts a $100,000 Bitcoin price by the end of this year, as well as Stock to Flow X, which suggests a $288,000 Bitcoin price. Now, these are the model targets, and targets are average prices. Actual Bitcoin price will oscillate around the targets. If 2021 bull market follows 2017, then $100,000 it is. If we follow 2013, then we're talking about a $288,000 Bitcoin price target to the moon. And as you can see in this graph right here, it shows Bitcoin after 2012, 2016, and the 2020 halving. So there you have it. Let me know if you're leaning more towards the $100,000 target or $288,000 as Stock to Flow X suggests. Drop me a comment right down below. Now, checking out the latest from Jack Dorsey. He's finally running his own Bitcoin node. Welcome to the club. How many of you are running your own full node? Let me know in the comments right down below. I started running mine about a month ago, and I'm so glad that I did. And you can see Cointelegraph covered it right here. We all used his software. Now he's using ours. Jack Dorsey is in the process of setting up his own full Bitcoin node. All right, and before I break down our next story of the day, the Bitcoin top around $390,000 according to this new chart, which shows that this Bitcoin bull run is only just beginning. But let's first take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at $1.1 trillion with $161 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and current Bitcoin dominance still on the decline at 60.9%. And now checking out the Bitcoin market cap sitting above $700 billion. Let's go BTC. Now checking out the top gainers altcoins within the top 100. We have 0x up a whopping 87%, trading at $1.47. Let's go ZRX, and up 140% for the week. We have Maker up 43%, trading at $2,458. Kyber Network up 40%, trading at about $2. Terra up 34%, trading at $2.70, and Nexo up 31%, trading at $1.65, and up 121% for the week. Let's go altcoins. As you can see, they have been pumping. Now checking out the top losers, we have UMA down 15%, trading at $34.80, but still up a whopping 221% for the week. We have Dogecoin finally down for the week 21% and down 8% for the day, trading at 4.5 cents, but it has been pumping and almost reached a new all-time high thanks to Elon Musk. We also have Swiss Borg down 7% for the day, trading at 87 cents, but up 41% for the week. And Hedge Trade down 4%, trading at $1.33. Now, out of this list of the top gainers and losers, which altcoins in particular are you most bullish on? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now, checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated an 81 in extreme greed. Yesterday was an 80, last week a 77, and last month a 95 in extreme greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Bitcoin could reach almost $400,000 this bull cycle simply by copying previous behavior, one popular analyst has said in a new tweet on February 4th. Yassine, crypto asset analyst at asset manager ARK Invest, revealed just how early on its current bull run Bitcoin really is. Let's actually check out Yassine's tweet right here. This is how Bitcoin price would behave if the current bull market dwarfed the 2017 bull market in the same way that the 2017 bull market dwarfed the 2013 bull market. The top would be around $390,000 per Bitcoin. The red dot is where we'd be now. And as you can see on your screen, this red dot signifies where we're at. And if this market were to repeat, then you already know, fam, Bitcoin to the moon. This shows the hypothetical price behavior of Bitcoin consistent with previous bull market behavior. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree with Yassine's bullish price prediction of a $390,000 Bitcoin top. Holla at your boy. So compared to 2013 and 2017, the 2020-2021 cycle is barely off the start line, with a hypothetical chart suggesting that the top this time could be around $390,000, as I broke down from you from this chart shared by Yassine of ARK Invest. Now, with various indicators all now pointing to a continuation of bullish upside for Bitcoin, Yassine is not alone in predicting serious progress in the mid to long term. Responding, however, fellow analyst Tor Demeester noted that in terms of increases, 2013 in fact beat 2017. And before I finish breaking down this analysis for you right here, first I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the market. This goes for all 680 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. I also want to encourage you to subscribe to my daily letter. This goes out to over 30,000 subscribers all around the world every single day. All you need to do is click this link or visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. I also have a blog which you can visit at cryptonewsyes.com. Also, be sure to smash that subscribe button to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasting platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter to receive daily crypto news alerts. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you active on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. All right, now let's finish breaking down this story. The true power of the latest bull run thus depends on various factors, with other recent comparative data suggesting that this year ranks exactly between the two previous examples. Yassine confirmed that a $390,000 Bitcoin price would correspond to a Bitcoin market cap of around $8 trillion, which is roughly 80% of that of gold. And as Cointelegraph reported, estimates suggest that in real terms, Bitcoin has so far cornered just 2% of that amount. And once there is a flippening on the gold market cap, I'm telling you, Bitcoin will be above $500,000 as the Winklevoss brothers made the case for a $500,000 Bitcoin. Bitcoin is setting up the perfect storm for the bulls. Focusing on the immediate future, well-known figures are primed for a price continuation to begin imminently thanks to a combination of declining US dollar strength, corporate interest, and consolidating $30,000 support. It may not be long before the bulls return to the driving seat. That's right. When do you feel Bitcoin will surpass that $42,000 all-time high? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Commenting on Tuesday, investor Dan Tapiero highlighted Bitcoin's moving average convergence divergence, known as the MACD, as the latest metric to flip. Checking out his tweet right here. Oh boy, looking like consolidation is over in Bitcoin. Price stems at 30,000. Excellent support now. Breaking up through the flag as we speak. Overbought. MACD worked off. Michael Saylor conference. Likely exciting corporates. Looks like we'll see new highs in the week to come in Bitcoin. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. Tapiero also anticipated heavy interest from institutions as a result of a dedicated conference by MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor, the company which now holds over 70,000 Bitcoin. Over 1,400 executives attended the event this week, with CEO Michael Saylor likewise predicting that buy-ins would accelerate this year. He ain't telling no lies. Now for a quick recap of what I covered with you right here in today's show. MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor says Bitcoin may rise above $100 trillion market cap as money goes digital. Now with a $100 trillion market cap, where do you suspect the Bitcoin price likely to be? How high? Holla at your boy. Also in today's show, I shared the latest from Max Kaiser regarding Elon Musk shilling Dogecoin and putting Bitcoin on his bio, then removing it, and so on. Also shared the latest from Plan B, the creator of the Stock to Flow model, which shows us two possible scenarios. We have Stock to Flow suggesting a $100,000 Bitcoin price by the end of the year, and we have Stock to Flow X suggesting a $288,000 Bitcoin price by the end of the year. Where do you think we'll go? Holla at your boy. Also in today's show, I shared that Jack Dorsey is finally running his own Bitcoin node, as you can see right here. Welcome to the club, Jack. Also in today's show, I shared that the Bitcoin top is around $390,000 according to this new bullish chart, which shows this Bitcoin bull run is only just beginning, as well as Yassine from ARK Invest, who suggests a $390,000 Bitcoin top this cycle. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right. And turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, just like this. And real quick before I go, I want to give a special shout out to our sponsor over at BlockFi, the leading provider of financial products and services for crypto investors just like yourself. You can start putting your crypto to work and earn up to an 8.6% annual percentage yield with the BlockFi interest account. There's a special promo they have running right now where you can receive up to $250 as a free crypto bonus with a deposit of $25 or more. To take advantage of this, go ahead and create a new account by clicking the link right down below this video. In the description, it'll take you here. Then simply click on the sign up button, which will redirect you here. Enter your first name, your last name, your email, create a password. The referral code will already be filled out. And what I love about BlockFi, besides the fact they're so easy to use and there's no hidden fees, is they're backed by the biggest names in the industry, including Winklevoss Capital, Morgan Creek, Fidelity, and Coinbase. And you can check out their annual percentage yields right here on Bitcoin. They're paying out 6%. Not too shabby, right? Start having your sats working for you. And USDT, they're paying out 9.3%. So go ahead and take advantage of this and let's start stacking those sats, shall we?